Talking on radios can be confusing, especially if there are problems with reception or transmission. So short Prowords are used to relay a statement of message to make sure all parties gain a clear understanding of the message. We'll now look at a short example of some Prowords. There are many more that are widely accepted. Acknowledge indicates that you have received and understood the message okay. Affirmative means yes, and normally used when a question is asked and the reply is yes. All after. This is used with say again, meaning to repeat parts of the message after a particular word. For example, all after ambulance. There are also Prowords to cover all before, all between, or word after. Be advised. This is a universal Proword for imparting information either directly or from third parties, less formal than a message. Correction. An error was made in my message, so here is the correct version. Disregard this. Ignore what I've just said. Emergency, emergency, emergency. I have a message of life-threatening importance. I read back. Repeating all or the specified part of this message exactly as received so that you can check I've received it correctly. I say again, I repeat all or specified part of the message to clarify or emphasize. I spell. I will spell the next word or group of words phonetically. Out. I've completed my transmission and no reply is required. Over. I have completed my transmission and now you can reply. Priority, priority, priority. I need to interrupt as I have a message of importance. Read back. Repeat all or part of this message back to me exactly as received so I can check that you received it correctly. Roger. Your message is received and understood. This Proword can be used with either over or out. Example, Roger over or Roger out, depending on which is used. Say again, meaning repeat your last transmission. Stand by. Wait for a short period and I'll get back to you. Wait. Wait for a moment while I deal with something else or find the answer to your request. You can state the number of minutes, for example, wait 2. WILCO. I understand your message and I will comply with it. This is often followed by out. These are just a selection of generic Prowords. It's worth learning Prowords used particularly in your industry.